What's new from California? Oh my goodness, listen to this. It used to be the law in California that if you were an employer who had 50 or more employees, you had to train your managers and supervisory personnel with 2 hours of sexual harassment training and repeat it every 2 years. As of January 1st, 2019, that requirement has changed and greatly expanded. Now, if you're an employer in the state of California and have more than 5 employees, you must train your supervisory and management personnel 2 hours on sexual harassment, and that needs to be repeated every 2 years. But now you also have to train every single non-supervisory employee with 1 hour of sexual harassment training, and that training has to also be repeated every 2 years. An employer, and by the way, since most dealers have more than 5 employees, this means every retail franchise new car dealer in the state of California, an employer must provide training that includes harassment based on gender identity, gender expression, and sexual orientation. But you know what? We should be training people to not discriminate or harass anyone for any reason. Now, this training has to be completed by the end of 2019, December 31st. And the California Department of Fair Employment and Housing has stated that it will make training available on its website. Now, the bad news is it isn't available yet. And to my best research, they've indicated it won't be available until late 2019. I'm not sure I'd want to wait till December to begin this process. But why is this important to people all over the country? Because what happens in California has a habit of migrating east. So if California says it's a good idea, it's probably a good idea in your state as well. Take sexual harassment seriously at your dealership. Take sexual harassment training very seriously at your dealership. And if you're in California, make plans to get this training as soon as possible. The clock is ticking. By December 31st, it had best be accomplished.